In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use dictation in Apple Notes. First, open the Notes app and create or open a note. You can find the Notes app icon on your home screen. It looks like a yellow notepad with a white background. Once you tap on the app, you will see a list of your notes. If you want to create a new note, look for the pencil and paper icon, usually located at the bottom right corner. Tapping that will open a fresh note for you to work on. Alternatively, you can select an existing note from the list if you wish to add to it. This step is essential because it sets the stage for using dictation effectively. Next, tap where you want to enter text. This action brings the cursor to the specific location in your note where you want to start dictating. You will notice the keyboard appears at the bottom of the screen. It is crucial to place the cursor accurately, as this ensures that your dictated text appears exactly where you want it. You can tap anywhere within the note to set your desired starting point. This helps maintain clarity in your notes and makes it easier to organize your thoughts. Now, tap the microphone button on the keyboard. This button is usually located to the left of the spacebar. When you tap it, you will see a visual indication that dictation is ready to begin. This step is important because it activates the dictation feature, allowing your device to listen to your voice and convert it into text. Once you see the microphone icon highlight, you're all set to start dictating your text. Speak clearly. Your words will be converted into text as you talk. As you begin to speak, you will see your words appearing on the screen in real time. It's important to articulate your words clearly for the best results. This ensures that the dictation software accurately captures what you intend to say. You might be surprised by how well your iPhone or iPad understands you. This feature can significantly speed up your note-taking process, making it easier to capture your ideas quickly. When you're finished, tap the microphone button again. This action signals the end of your dictation session. It is crucial to confirm that you have completed your thoughts before tapping the button. Doing this ensures that the device stops listening and saves the text you have dictated. You should see your words neatly organized in the note, reflecting what you have just spoken. This reassurance means your work is safely recorded. You can also dictate punctuation by saying commands such as period, comma, or question mark. This feature adds significant flexibility to your dictation process. For instance, saying period will insert a period at the end of a sentence, while comma will add a comma where needed. This ability allows you to structure your notes more effectively as you speak. Remembering to use these commands can enhance the clarity and readability of your notes. With these steps, you can navigate dictation in Apple Notes with ease. Once you get the hang of it, you'll find that this method of note-taking is not just efficient, but also quite enjoyable. In no time, you'll be dictating notes like a pro. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this feature as helpful as I do. Happy note-taking!